Ito yung dahilan kung bakit mali ang tunog ng piano mo kahit tama yung notes mo. Hi, I'm Wendell and I study at the College of Music. Hindi notes ang problema. Timing at rhythm. Timing is when you play. Rhythm is how long you play. Timing, gaano ka-accurate sa beat? Nasa tamang oras ka ba? Sakto ka ba sa metronome o beat? Example, kung may beat na 1, 2, 3, 4. Rhythm. Pattern ng haba at iksi ng notes. Paano mo hinahati yung beats? Ano yung pattern? Could be expressed long, short, and rest. Example, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Pwede mong gawin 1, 2, and 3, 4. Iba-ibang pattern, may rhythm. Why does this matter? Timing keeps you in sync. Rhythm makes you sound musically. Therefore, you need both to sound good. Comment down below, rhythm, and tuturuan kita ng simple drills para ma-fix mo to.